Trusted DJI insider Jasper Ellen recently dropped a few cryptic hints that sent the drone community buzzing with excitement. Ellen pointed out details many fans might have missed, and they could change everything we thought we knew about the upcoming DJI Neo 2. According to early whispers, the Neo 2 might feature a 1/1.3-inch sensor, but the real intrigue lies in its design. On one arm, there appears to be a laser sensor and receiver, while the opposite arm seems to house a small integrated display that could show active flight or tracking modes. If true, this would make the Neo 2 one of the most intelligent and feature-rich mini-drones DJI has ever built. And it doesn't stop there. Reports suggest that the Neo 2 will be fully compatible with DJI goggles N3, taking immersive FPV flying to a whole new level. For existing DJI pilots, this means seamless connectivity across accessories and an easier transition without the need to overhaul existing setups. Even older Neo models will still sync via smartphone, ensuring that the entire experience stays connected and shareable. All eyes are now on October 30th, 2025, when DJI is expected to officially unveil this next-generation compact drone. Many believe this launch could mark a major turning point for DJI's future lineup. The DJI Neo 2 is shaping up to be much more than a simple upgrade. It's a complete reimagining of what an ultralight drone can be. One of the most exciting innovations is the introduction of a detachable external transceiver module. This sleek plug-in design connects through a USB-C port on the back of the drone, unlocking a massive leap in performance. This external module isn't just a small add-on, it's a breakthrough. It's expected to enable DJI's latest OcuSync technology, likely OcuSync 4, offering extended range, lower latency, and rock-solid video transmission. This means smoother, more responsive control and higher quality live feeds, especially when flying with DJI goggles or motion controllers. It's a clever move by DJI, giving users the freedom to upgrade and customize without replacing their entire setup. The modular design makes the Neo 2 more flexible, future-ready, and ideal for both hobbyists and professionals looking for serious capability in a small package. Designed for solo travelers, vloggers, and beginners, the Neo 2 delivers smooth cinematic shots without the hassle of carrying heavy gear. Weighing around 135 grams, it's lighter than most smartphones yet packed with advanced tech. The familiar compact look has been refined with visible omnidirectional sensors on both the front and rear, a major upgrade that enhances obstacle avoidance and flight stability. While these sensors are likely advanced optical or infrared systems rather than true LIDAR, they still represent a big step up in safety and environmental awareness. The redesigned antenna and digital transmission receiver on the back ensure a stronger, more stable connection, ideal for FPV-style flying. When it comes to visuals, the Neo 2 takes a bold step forward. It can capture 4K video at 60 frames per second, double the frame rate of its predecessor, with added support for 10-bit HDR and D-Log-M color profiles. Its 1/1.3-inch CMOS sensor delivers stunning clarity, improved dynamic range, and beautifully balanced exposures even in complex lighting. The gimbal system has also evolved, moving from single-axis to two-axis stabilization, for smoother, more professional-looking footage. Combine that with intelligent features like auto return to home, object tracking, gesture control, and even voice commands, and you've got one of the smartest compact drones DJI has ever created. Battery performance has also been refined, offering more flight time while maintaining its featherlight form factor. And thanks to the new direct charging support, you can plug it in and power up without relying on bulky accessories. All these refinements make the DJI Neo 2 a perfect blend of portability, intelligence, and creativity. A drone designed to empower content creators and explorers alike. So, mark your calendars for October 30th. DJI's compact powerhouse is about to take flight. The Neo 2 looks ready to redefine what a lightweight drone can do, combining portability, power, and smart design into one incredibly capable package. What do you think about the DJI Neo 2? Are you excited to see DJI push mini drones into professional territory? Drop your thoughts in the comments. I'd love to hear your take. And if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe to Technify, hit that like button, and stay tuned for more in-depth coverage on the latest tech and drone innovations. Something big is definitely coming. And it's not just the Neo 2. Rumors are already swirling about the DJI Avata 3, a redesigned FPV beast that could shake up the industry once again. Stay connected, stay creative, and as always, keep flying smart with Technify.